Hello students, as in previous video, we have learned some rules based on singular and plural nouns. So in this video also, we are going to learn some more rules based on singular and plural noun. So, sixth rule says that to most nouns that end in O, we add es. That means some nouns which end in O, we are going to add es at the end of that word. For example, mango. The last alphabet is O, we have added es at the end. So it becomes mangoes. Tomato. The last alphabet is O, we have added es at the end. So it becomes tomato and tomatoes. Now, seventh rule says that some nouns remains unchanged in the plural form. It means some nouns have no change when it changes from singular to plural noun. For example, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, aircraft, aircraft. That means in both the form, the word will be same. We are not going to add anything in these words and not going to remove anything from these words. Now, we come to eighth rule. Eighth rule says that some nouns change in irregular manner. That means that some noun can change its vowel from one to another vowel. For example, foot. We have changed double O vowel into double E vowel, that is foot and feet. And in some words, we are going to add en at the end. For example, ox, oxen. Now, when we talk about ninth rule says that there are some nouns that are always plural. That means when we use these words in singular sense also, they are always the same as they are in plural form. For examples, scissors, trousers, clothes. We use these words in both the form as they are. That means in singular and plural, both form we are going to use these words in the same way as they are. Now, the last rules. Sometimes the plural is formed by adding s to the main word in compound words. Now, what does compound word means? Compound word means the combination of two words joined to make one word. For example, foot plus ball. So, we have joined foot plus ball and we have made one word, that is football. According to this rule, we are going to add s to the main word in the compound word, like son-in-law. So, we are going to add s at the main word, that is son. So, it becomes sons-in-law. Likewise, in sister-in-law too, sister is the main word. So, we are going to add s to the word sister. Then it becomes sisters-in-law. While changing a singular noun into a plural noun, we need to keep some important points in our mind. First point is that a or one changes to many and we add s to the noun. For example, a or one cup. When we change this singular noun to plural noun, then one or a will change into many and we are going to add s to the noun. So, it becomes many cups. Second thing is that this changes to these and we add s to the noun. For example, this cup. So, when we change this singular noun to plural noun, it becomes these cups. We are going to change this to these and going to add s to the noun. S changes to R. For example, the cup is red. So, the cups are red. Here too, we are change is to are and going to add s to the noun. Fourth rule, was changes to were and a s is added to the noun. Like, for example, the cup was broken. If we change this sentence into plural form, then the sentence becomes the cups were broken. So, we have added s to the noun and changed was into were. Fifth rule, has changes to have and s is added to the noun. For example, the cup has a handle. So, when we will change, we will write the statement like this. The cups have handles. Here we have added s to the noun, that is cup, and s in the handle too, because it is also a noun. And we have changed has into head. Now, the last thing which we need to keep in our mind is that his, her, its changes to their. For example, his cup, her cup, its cup will change into their cups. We are going to change these three words in plural form by removing these words, and instead of writing these words, we are going to use a single word, that is there, and going to add s at the noun. So, I hope the concept of singular and plural noun and the rules based on it is clear.